Turkish coffee vending machine, coin operated, coin acceptor, and aid selection. You can mix it. Now it take the Turkish coffee cup automatically down. Now it's making coffee now. The temperature second boiling time we set is 8 seconds, and the temperature we set is 90 degree. Very fast now. Now the coffee is making down. Okay, this is the Turkish coffee. The phone is very good. Now inside is a 4 canister. Make 1, 2, 3, 4. This is Turkish coffee. You can put the sugar here, and also is chocolate or Nescafe, and the water cup dispenser. Okay, this is a Turkish coffee vending machine with a coin operated and water cup dispenser.